Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best gluten-free flour is probably one of the most versatile ingredients in any kitchen, especially if you're looking for a gluten-free alternative. Today, we're diving deep into a product that has been making waves in the baking world. We'll explore its texture, how it performs in different recipes, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover if this is the perfect flour for your gluten-free baking needs. Number 5. Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free 1-to-1 Baking Flour. Introducing a simple solution for gluten-free baking. This expertly crafted blend of flours, starches, and xanthan gum makes it easy to create your favorite treats. It effortlessly transforms traditional recipes into gluten-free delights. This product is tested and confirmed gluten-free in a dedicated facility. It's safe for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. You can bake with confidence knowing it meets the highest standards. Making delicious gluten-free baked goods is now a breeze. Simply replace wheat flour with this easy-to-use blend. Follow your favorite recipes, and enjoy the results. This flour blend works wonderfully in recipes that call for baking powder or baking soda. It's made with superior ingredients. It's a great choice for everyone. This product is ideal for various gluten-free baking needs. Use it for cookies, cakes, brownies, and more. It can also thicken sauces, make pasta, and bread proteins. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This flour offers a simple 1-to-1 substitution, making gluten-free baking a breeze. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for cookies, cakes, and even thickening sauces. If you're looking for a convenient and reliable gluten-free option for all your favorite recipes, you should definitely consider it. What people say. This flour is a great substitute for regular flour. It works very well in all my recipes. I have used it to make cakes, cookies, and bread with great success. Number 4. Jovial Einkorn Organic Flour. This is the original wheat, better for those sensitive to modern wheat. Its gluten is easier to digest. However, it should not be consumed by celiacs. It's packed with lutein, vitamin E, B vitamins, and essential minerals. It's free of common allergens like milk, eggs, and soy. This flour is the only wheat that has never been hybridized. It's USDA certified organic and non-GMO project verified. It is not bromated, bleached, or enriched. It has a nutty flavor, silky texture, and a buttery yellow color. The gluten is easier to digest and work with, baking flavorful bread. We started growing einkorn over a decade ago. The farmers nurture the soil with long rotation cycles. Farming it is a labor of love and dedication. What we like? This flour is made from einkorn, the original wheat, which is known for being easier to digest. It boasts a delicious nutty flavor and a silky texture that elevates your baked goods. If you like the idea of baking with a more digestible and flavorful flour, you should give this one a try. What people say. I make a soaked wheat Irish soda bread, mainly because my family loves it but also because it's so easy. Einkorn flour is easy on your stomach, especially if you have stomach or gluten issues. The flour is great, used it to make bread, banana bread, cookies, etc., and they all turned out great. Number 3. Cup 4 Cup Gluten-Free Multipurpose Flour, 3 pounds. Introducing Cup 4 Cup Multipurpose Gluten-Free Flour. This is a perfect gluten-free solution for your favorite recipes. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite foods without gluten. This flour is a 1:1 substitution for all-purpose and wheat flour. You can use it in most any recipe. It makes baking easy. Unlike most gluten-free flours, this has a neutral flavor. It won't change the taste of your favorite recipes. Enjoy the original taste. This product is certified gluten-free, non-GMO, kosher, and made in the USA. It contains dairy. You can trust the quality. Giving up gluten doesn't mean giving up the foods you've always loved. This flour allows you to enjoy all your favorites. Try it today. What we like? This is the original 1-to-1 substitution, ensuring your recipes turn out perfectly. It has a neutral flavor, so it won't alter the taste of your favorite dishes. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile gluten-free flour that delivers consistent results, you should choose it. What people say. This flour is a great substitute for regular flour. It works very well in all my recipes. I have used it to make cakes, pastry and bread. Number 2. Kraft gluten-free macaroni and cheese dinner. Are you looking for a delicious and easy meal? This is a gluten-free option that delivers the classic taste you love. It's perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. Enjoy the creamy, cheesy flavor without the gluten. This is made with high-quality ingredients, ensuring a satisfying meal every time. It's a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. This is a meal the whole family will enjoy. It's easy to prepare and ready in minutes. It's a convenient and tasty solution for busy weeknights. Each box is perfectly portioned for a single serving. This makes it easy to control portions and reduce waste. It's ideal for on-the-go meals or a quick snack. Get ready for a creamy, cheesy experience. It's a simple and satisfying meal that's ready in minutes. This is a perfect choice for a quick and tasty meal. What we like. This is a quick and easy meal option that doesn't compromise on taste. It offers the classic mac and cheese flavor you love, now gluten-free. If you are looking for a convenient and delicious gluten-free meal, you should try it. What people say. This flour is a great all-purpose flour for gluten-free baking. It works well in a variety of recipes, from cakes and cookies to bread and pizza crusts. The texture and taste of the baked goods are very good. Number 1. FREEE gluten-free plain white flour, 1 kilogram. Introducing a premium gluten-free flour blend. It's crafted with high-quality ingredients, ensuring superior results for all your baking needs. This flour is specifically designed for those with gluten sensitivities. It provides a safe and delicious option for anyone with dietary requirements. Whether you're making bread, cookies, or cakes, this versatile blend is perfect. It ensures consistent and exceptional results every time you bake with it. Enjoy light and fluffy baked goods, free from gluten. This flour helps achieve the perfect texture, making your creations irresistibly delicious. Packaged in a convenient size, it's easy to handle and store. This makes your baking experience effortless and hassle-free. Made with carefully selected ingredients, this gluten-free flour offers essential nutrients. It provides a healthier option for all your baking projects. With this flour, you don't have to sacrifice taste. Experience the same great taste and texture in your gluten-free baked goods, ensuring satisfaction with every bite. What we like. This flour is crafted with a premium blend, ensuring superior quality for your baking needs. It provides a light and fluffy texture, perfect for various recipes. If you like the pleasure of light and fluffy baked goods that are free from gluten, you should consider it. What people say. This flour is a great all-purpose gluten-free flour. It works well in a variety of recipes. The texture and taste are very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.